One day I was a millionaire, the next day I was broke. Then I thought I could fly, so out the window I go. Thought I was an acrobat, sometimes you never know. One day I was a millionaire, out the window I go. I grew up with the rich kids on the poor side of town. It never really did bother me much, I was glad to be around. I should be playing where the big dogs play, I'm just a pup I didn't know. One day I was a happy dog, out the door I go. One day I thought I was a bird, my friends thought it was a joke. Then I thought I could fly, so out the window I go. Thought I was an acrobat, sometimes you never know. One day you fly through the clouds, down in a hole. Well, I died with a conscience when I hit the ground. I never thought that I really could fly, but I tossed it around. And I was brought up to work real hard till the sun goes down. They never really said, "Boy, go away," but it's a real small town. One day you got it all figured out, and it'll work like a dream. But then you find out that the best laid plan was really worse than it seemed. You're told to make a lot of money, you'll never try till you know. One day it was a